Welcome to the Pengower tutorial. Today we'll walk you through how to create a simple application using the Pengower Builder. The objectives of this video are to teach you how to log in to your Pengower account, to create a simple application that would enable you to show a Hello World text. A Hello World application is one of the simplest applications that is commonly used to get started with a new development platform. And lastly, how to publish your application online so that others can access them as well. To start, let's go to the Pengower login page. Put in your login details and click Login. You will now be redirected to the Pengower homepage. Choose Open Builder. Let's start creating your application. First, click on the Options button and click on New Application. Put in the name for your application, and in this case, name it Hello World. To add a new client, choose New Client from the drop-down. Then use User as a client's name. Once you are done, click on the Update button. You will notice that the application you just created is indicated here at the top as the active one. Now, if you ever need to log out and wanted to go back to your application, you can do so by clicking on the Application button drop-down and look for your application. The first thing you need to do is create a custom form. To do that, click on the Custom Form tab and click on the New Custom Form button. A new tab should appear. You can give the custom form a name. In this case, let's name it Hello World Form. You'll have to save it by clicking on the Update button before you can add more content to it. Now, beside it is the Elements section. You can add a new element by clicking on the New Element button. An element is like a field or a placeholder. Name this element Sample HTML. Then choose its type. As you can see, there are different options to choose from. We will discuss all of these in detail later in this video series, or you can visit our Pengower wiki to know more. Let's choose Information. Click on the Update button once you are done. To tell the builder what you want to see on this element, click on the Rendering Option button. A pop-up window should appear. Now, choose Information under Options. This would give you the ability to put in the HTML that you want your application to display. Enter the text Hello World and enclose it with bold tags. Once done, click on the Update button. Save your element by clicking on the Update button again. You are now done with the custom form. Now let's create an action to display this form. Go to the Actions tab and click on the New Action button. A new tab should appear. Let's call the action Open Hello World Form. Now, choose a type of action that you want to use. There are different options that you can choose from. I will explain them more in detail later in this video series, or you can visit the Pengower wiki to know more. Now, select Open Custom Form and choose a custom form that you have previously created. Click on the Update button once you're done. Now, the last step is to create an application view to show your form. To do that, go to the Views tab and click on the New View button. Let's name the view Hello World. By default, your view is publicly accessible, which means that login is not needed. Let us assign an action to be called when this particular view is opened. In this case, choose Open Hello World Form, which is the action that you have previously created. Then, let's select a view layout. You can see different layout options here. I will also explain them more later in this video series, or you can visit the Pengower wiki to find out more about different view layouts. Now, select Work Region Only. Click on the Update button once you are done. This time, let's also click on the Update Application button to push all the things that you've done so far to the application. The application should now reflect everything you've done. So, let's view our Hello World application. You should now notice the URL field appear. Copy and paste the application URL to your browser and enter. You now have created an application that says Hello World using the Pengower Builder. Congratulations! To recap, you now have learned how to log into your Pengower account, how to create a Hello World application, and how to make an application publicly accessible. Thank you for listening.